Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I just got my new laptop. This one is the Asus ROG G713RC. Okay, as you can see now I unboxing it at the shop, and now let's check it out. Is there any accessory inside the box? Okay, as you can see now I take out the laptop and we gonna put it to the correct direction. And now let's see our laptop. Okay, you can see it's completely new with the plastic bag. And now let's check another thing. We got some manual here. Okay, and here is the additional mouse and the charger adapter. Okay, and that's it inside the box. And all we have the charger adapter, cable, and the ROG mouse and some manual. Okay, now let's take out the plastic from our laptop. Okay, okay, and turn it on. Okay, after unboxing it from the shop, now let's get back to our little studio. And as you can see on the table now, it's all accessory. You can see it's the bag and this is the box. Two of that box is now empty, and I take out all accessory. And now let's clean all the empty box. Okay, now we have the bag, mouse, user menu, laptop, and the charger adapter. And now let's see on its back. You can see it's gonna be like this. Then have the package inside. I hope you can see. And you also can take out your laptop from this location. So this one just look like this. So you can take out it from here, or you can take out from here. Okay. Here. And you can see that. And we now got okay, we got 3 manuals both. And the ROG's mouse. Okay, optical gaming mouse. We got the manual here for the mouse. Okay, you can see here is the ROG mouse. And then this is the charger adapter. You can see here, and yeah, another detail. And here is our laptop. Okay, you can see here is this laptop. I feel that it a bit easy to get your fingerprint here. You can see all my fingerprint, but it's okay. You can clean it and take this one out. Okay, so I'm not deeply review about its specs. So in this video we are going to only review about this laptop or accessory and the outside view of it. Okay, and now let's get some view. Okay, you can see here Ryzen 7 series, and we got a WASD keyboard with the Vice logo, and here is the special from other. You will got this one, the color like this, yellow and white and black. Okay, on the left you will get the microphone head jack to USB port, and this one is the exhaust for the hot air from your computer. Okay, so on the back you will see this is the charger port, LAN cable connection, HDMI connection, and we got two of the Type C cable, and you will notice this one is MMVI. Okay, and this side we only get the one fan, and there are nothing else, no other port. Okay, when we put it like this, you will see the logo, some logo on the here is green one, and we'll see this logo for those who dares. Okay, and you will find out the LED here. Okay, now we turn it on, try to turn it on by one hand. Okay, you can turn it on by one hand, but in the guidebook they recommend to turn it on by two hands to protect your gear. Okay, so safety, turn it on by two of your hands. Okay, and now press the power button. Okay, you can hear the sound. And now I turn off the light. You will see all the LED logo. Okay, and now you can see the RGB blinking on the bottom of the laptop, and we can see on the keyboard. Okay, and on the back. Okay, and on the back you will see this logo. It's just simply blinking. I hope you can see. Okay, and if we just turn off the screen, and then all the RGB blinking is now stopped blinking, and the screen is 17.5 inch, but the laptop size okay. And if you compare to my previous SI, this one is the model 15.5 inch. You will see the size is the same size as my 15-inch laptop. Okay, but the screen is bigger because you can see my 15.5 inch. You will see the frame is a lot bigger than this one. Okay, and now let's try to connect our ROG mouse. Okay, so the mouse, we got this scroll here and the mouse speed here, and we don't have another button. Okay, and now I need to connect it from the back of the laptop. or you can put it around like this and connect from another side of your laptop. And on the controller, you can see here, I noticed that this one, you can use the M4. You can see turbo, performance, silent. Okay, turbo, performance, and silent. And if you take out the charger cable, you get only the performance and silent, so there is no turbo function. And when we got plug in the charger cable, and now you will get this turbo. Okay, and now I try to take out the charger. Okay, when you charge, you will see this the orange light here. Okay, now I take out the charger. You will see it's on battery, and then press the M4 again. Silent, performance, and there is no turbo. Okay, and you can control your volume by this one. Okay, volume up, volume down. It built in here, and mute volume. Okay, microphone on, microphone off, not mute. This one for the microphone. And you can also FN, and this one to turn off your keyboard light, and this one to turn on, and the brightness of it to the maximum, the brightness down until it off. Okay, so that is all for today's video of my unboxing this Asus ROG Strix G713RC 17.5 inch laptop. Okay, and I hope you got what you want with my video review of this laptop, and it is different from other the style and the review of the laptop. It's my own style and my own review. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.